Hey everybody, this is Bev Gray from Technique Tuesday. Today I want to give you just a quick little taste of the projects you can make using the mini candles stamp set and the mini candles dies. Let's get started. Now the mini candle stamp set comes with 6 sentiments, and they're kind of a little sassy, so they're for the person that has a sense of humor in your life. And they also come with the 6 different patterned candles, and then different size flames and shapes for what will be the light on the candle. And so in this project you can see where we've just stamped the various shapes of the candles in the background and then used some pencils like these to color them in with a little bit of a blender pencil. So that's how you can use them just as a stamp set. Now the mini candle stamp set also has a coordinating die, and you can use the dies all by themselves, and that'll be in a separate video, or you can use the biggest die here as the mat for all those little candles that are on the stamp set. So you just lay it over, run it through your die cutting machine, and then when you're finished you'd end up with stamped and die cut candles just like this one. I hope you've enjoyed learning more about the mini candle stamp set and dies. If you'd like to see the dies in action, we've got a video for that too, so hop on over to our website to learn more.